Yeah, yeah. Oh, I love when you touch my arm. Oh. Are you trying to take a picture with the fly guy? Sexy.
Oh, I love it. It is so good.
That's where the famous people be coming?
Yeah, so they be having pictures of Kim Kardashian.
Okay.
I guess it's because of the fancy beverages.
Fancy beverages.
Yeah.
said he liked my brown eyes and hypnotized. Hazelnut beam when the sun shine. He said my face was like a doll he couldn't forget. All the while I'm thinking about what's coming next. He said he liked the flow and the way I smirked, the way my legs extending in my skater skirt. Make me feel so comfortable, even when I'm natural. Said he liked my brown eyes and hypnotized. Hazelnut beam when the sun shine. He said my face was like a doll he couldn't forget. All the while I'm thinking about what's coming next. He said he liked the flow and the way I smirked, the way my legs extending in my skater skirt. Make me feel so good.